Good morning students. We are going to start chapter 5 of geography, that is industry. Industry come under secondary sector. As you know, activities are of three types: primary, secondary and tertiary. So under secondary sector, industries are calculated, or it is also called manufacturing sector. So what is an industry? Industry refers to an economic activity that is concerned with production of goods, extraction of minerals, or provision of services. So everything is included in industry, whether they are producing any good or any mineral is extracted from the earth or any services like IT sector is provided, all are included under industries. Industries are classified on different bases. So what are the bases of classification of an industry? There are three divisions of classification of an industry. First is on basis of raw material, second on the basis of size, and third on the basis of ownership. So first division is on the basis of raw material that any industry uses. First type is agro-based industries. So agro-based industries are the industries which use raw material which are obtained from the agricultural field, like food processing, vegetable oil, cotton textile, dairy products, leather industries, all are under agro-based industries. So second type is mineral-based industries. Mineral-based industries are primary industries that use minerals as their raw material, like heavy machinery, building material, railway coaches. All these are manufactured from minerals. Those come under mineral-based industries. Third type of industry is marine-based industry. These industries use products from the sea and oceans as raw material, like seafood processing, manufacturing of fish oil are some examples of marine-based industries. Next is forest-based industry. So forest-based industries are the industries which utilize forest produce as raw material. It includes forest products like pulp, pharmaceutical, furniture making and building material making industry. So these are four divisions on the basis of raw material used by the industry. Next basis of division is on the basis of size. There are two divisions on the basis of size, that are large scale industries and small scale industries. The industries like cottage or household industries, they come under small scale industry, like basket weaving, pottery, handicrafts, all are cottage industry. And small scale industry which includes less amount of capital and less number of workers are working, those come under small scale industry. And large scale industry uses large number of workers and more amount of capital. If production of automobile, heavy machinery, that come under large scale industry. Next division is on the basis of ownership. So who owns the industry? According to that, industries are classified into four divisions: public sector, private sector, joint sector and cooperative sector. So what are public sectors? Public sector industries are owned and operated by the government, like Hindustan Aeronautics Limited as public sector industry. And private sector industries are owned and operated by any individual or group of individuals. Like if we say Maruti Udyog, Reliance, these are private sector industries. Next sector is joint sector. It is owned and operated by state and individuals or group of individuals, in which some share is of private entrepreneur and some share is of government, that is called joint sector industry. Next is cooperative sector. These are owned and operated by producers or suppliers of raw material, workers, or both. Means in which suppliers and raw material suppliers and workers both work jointly. That is called cooperative sector. Like Anand Milk, Sudha Dairy, Amul, these are cooperative sector industries in which the milk producers as well as workers jointly work and get share from the profit. So in this video we have discussed the meaning of industry and the classification of industry on the different bases.